Good morning everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the methods of classification of the data which is based on class 11. As you know, the stages of statistical study and statistical tools which is classified by 5 segments. First is the collection of data, second is organization of data, third is the presentation, and fourth is the analysis, and last one is the interpretation of the data. In this video, we will discuss about the methods of the classification of data which is based on the second statistical tools, that is the organization of data. So let us start the methods of the classification. Here is the fourth segment. First is the chronological, second is the geographical, third is the quantitative, and fourth is the qualitative. The first is chronological classification. Chronological means the data which is based on the basis of the time period. Means when the statistical data are classified with reference to the time period, that is called the chronological. Chronological which is the based on the time period. Suppose that here is some example. The time period such as the year, month, and so on. So year, and second column is the production of rice. The production of rice measured in the tons. Here is the year. Suppose that now start 2013, 14, 15, and 2016. The production of rice in ton, in the terms of ton, in the year 2013 is 16, 15, 24, and 28. This type of the statistical data is called the chronological classification. This is the time period such as the year, and that is the statistical data, and the production of rice in measured in the tons. So chronological classification, the statistical data classified with reference to the time period such as the year, month, and so on. So here the production of the rice in 2013 is 16 tons. The production of rice 18 tons in 2014, and the production of rice 24 tons in 2015, and the production of rice 28 tons in 2016. So here is this type of classification of data is called the chronological classification. The next one is the geographical. Next one is the geographical classification. So here is the geographical classification which is on the basis of the area or place. So geographical classification refers to the statistical data are classified with reference to the any geographical area or location such as country, city and district and so on. So in this segment, geographical classification, the statistical data are classified in the terms or in the reference related to the place or any location or area. Here is some example. So there are two columns, and first is the here is the place, states, and second is the production of rice, that is measured in lakh ton. Here is the states, and that is the production of rice. State UP, MP, Himachal and Andhra Pradesh. The production of rice in UP 28 lakh ton, 32, 16 and 26. Here is the statistical data which is related to the terms in the state. According to the geographical classification, and the geographical classification which is based on the basis of the statistical data related to the any geographical area or location. So here the statistical data 28 lakh ton, the production of rice 28 lakh ton in the UP, 32 lakh tons, the production of rice 32 lakh ton in MP, and 16 lakh ton the production of rice in Himachal Pradesh, and 26 lakh ton the production of rice in Andhra Pradesh. So this type of the statistical data, this type of the classification of data is called the geographical classification. Geographical means the statistical data which is based on the any geographical area or any location or other place. So this type of the classification of the data, that is called the geographical classification. Next one is the quantitative classification, and third is the quantitative classification. Third is the quantitative classification means which is based on quantitative classification which is based on the basis of the magnitude. Magnitude refers to the size, and the statistical data represent in the terms related to the numerically, that is the quantitative classification. Means quantitative classification represent to the data is measured in the terms of numerically. So this type of the data is called quantitative classification, and this is based on the basis of the magnitude. Here is some example. So there is a profit in lakhs, and the other hand number of companies. Clear? Here is the number of companies. Suppose that 140 companies. The profit of the 140 companies in the terms of the profit 50 to 60%, 110, 40 to 50%, 135 equal to 35 to 40. This type of the data is called quantitative. Quantitative means here is the statistical data are classified in numerically, in the terms related to numerically. So this type of the data is called the quantitative classification of data. Next one is the qualitative classification. Next one is the qualitative classification. Qualitative classification, here is the refers to the qualitative classification classified in terms related to its attributes such as employment, literacy, and so on. So here is the qualitative